Step into the season of renewal with these farmhouse-inspired spring porch decor ideas, designed to infuse charm and warmth into your home's entrance. From rustic accents to vibrant blooms, these ideas will transform your porch into a welcoming retreat that celebrates the beauty of spring. Rocking chair and flowers. Create a serene farmhouse ambience by adorning white rocking chairs with pastel pillows and cream throws. Accentuate the rustic charm with distressed pots filled with small purple blooms and larger pots showcasing white flowers on the floor. Mint, gray, and pink. Design a tranquil spring haven on your porch with a natural wood swing, complemented by pink and dove gray striped pillows. Enhance the inviting atmosphere with a low mint table and a pale pink cushion adorned with small vessels carrying plants and delicate pink flowers. Mid-century modern. Welcome guests to a serene outdoor retreat with wicker chairs, white cushions, and an indigo throw. Elevate the farmhouse charm with tall planters overflowing with cheerful yellow flowers and a rustic metal candle lantern, all set against a light brown rug on the wood-paneled porch. Pretty tulips. Transform your porch into a rustic spring oasis with galvanized buckets brimming with beautiful white tulips. Illuminate the space with white metal candle holders for a warm glow that complements the enchanting seasonal look. Floral wreath. Add a touch of spring to your entryway with large stone planters filled with gorgeous white tulips flanking a stunning white tulip floral wreath on the door. This elegant display creates a welcoming ambience that celebrates the beauty of the season. Spring swing. Create a tranquil and inviting atmosphere with a wooden swing adorned with pastel-colored throw pillows and a cozy crocheted throw. Enhance the charm with a small pink rug and mint-colored side tables adorned with delicate pink blooms. Complete the farmhouse spring porch decor with a wooden tray featuring a glass vase filled with pink carnations and accompanied by pink candles. Lovely lavender. Infuse your porch with rustic spring charm by using wicker armchairs and lilac cushions. Add natural charm with beautiful potted lavenders atop small wooden tables, creating a serene and inviting outdoor space. Yellow and white. Embrace the beauty of spring with white rocking chairs featuring floral patterned cushions, surrounded by wicker baskets overflowing with yellow hydrangeas and wildflowers. Frame this inviting setup with the natural beauty of your porch's gray wraparound design. Daffodils and vintage chic. Elevate your farmhouse porch with vintage galvanized planters filled with vibrant yellow and white daffodils. Complete the vintage look with an old-fashioned mint-colored watering can and a white wooden rocking chair adorned with a distressed mint pillow with a floral design. Pansies and primrose. Line your porch with picturesque white flower boxes brimming with purple and white pansies and primroses. This abundance of spring blooms exudes rustic charm and creates a welcoming entrance for guests. picturesque peach and blue. Enhance your classic farmhouse home with a spring wreath on the front door and white pots filled with white flowers on both sides. Add a white wood rocking chair with a pretty white pillow and chair planters filled with peach flowers for a simple yet sweet outdoor space. Soft and serene. Create a tranquil ambience with potted topiary plants, a wooden bench adorned with neutral striped cushions, and pots filled with stunning white and pink blooms. This serene porch setting invites relaxation and enjoyment of the season's beauty. Bricks and wood. Soften your brick facade with a fresh spring wreath and pots of blooms, accompanied by a black iron bench with a pale pink cushion. This charming combination adds warmth and elegance to your porch decor, creating an inviting space for outdoor gatherings. Lovely love seat. Embrace the refreshing spirit of spring with a rattan love seat surrounded by vibrant green plants and pretty pink flowers. Enhance the inviting ambience with a charming green door wreath and a pot of delicate pink blooms, creating a delightful outdoor oasis. Elegant entryway. Elevate your home's exterior with elegant farmhouse spring chic decor, including a charming pink flower wreath on the door and white planters filled with matching blooms. These elegant touches perfectly complement the beautiful feel and aesthetic of your entryway, welcoming guests with timeless charm. With these farmhouse spring porch decor ideas, you can create a welcoming retreat that celebrates the beauty of the season and invites guests to relax and enjoy the warmth and charm of your home's entrance.